Harding. In my presidency, there will be a teapot dome scandal. I will oppose entry into the League of Nations. World War I will be officially ended by joint resolution, and I will sign an agreement to limit naval armaments. Unemployment and inflation were at its sharpest decline while I was president. However, I slashed government spending by $2 billion, and I cut national debt by 1/3. Many think I was a symbol of greed, and some blame me for the crash and depression. I passed my return to normalcy in 1921, and I was ranked one of the worst presidents there ever was. But I am a vibrant speaking voice. I'm Warren G. Harding, and I approve this message.
I'm Calvin Coolidge. I became the 30th president after Harding died of a sudden heart attack. I was a small government conservative who said very little, but was very popular among the average Americans. I restored public confidence while in the White House. I embodied the spirits and hopes of the middle class, and I support laissez-faire. However, there was a conflict between those who approved of my reduction in the size of government and those who believe the government should support the economy. I'm Calvin Coolidge, and I approve this message.
You can use this in 1945. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Al Smith. I'm the Democratic representative for the election of 1928. Many people were against me because they were anti-Catholic prejudice, and I was a Roman Catholic. I'm known for the legacy and corruption of Tammany Hall, but in the end, I lost the election in 1928 to Herbert Hoover.
Many of you trusted me and my work throughout the 20s. Our successful economy was booming. Although we have hit a downfall, if you elect me as president, me and my courtmen will pull our country out of this disaster with time. Laissez-faire is indeed the way to go. Thank you for your time, cooperation, and support. I am Herbert Hoover, and I approve this message. Beginning in the 1970s, Hoover's reputation began to recover. Historians pointed out that Hoover's embrace of volunteerism, his faith and social science experience, and his encouragement of cooperation began and among different segments of the American economic order, and was rooted not in heartlessness, but in the progressive social thought of his time.
Good afternoon. Do you like how you feel right now? No movies, no good food, no music? Well, who do you think put us in this position? Herbert Hoover, my opponent. If you elect me, there will be no more excessive spending, and I will use the federal government to create jobs so there will be no more unemployment, and this depression will never happen again. So choose me, FDR. I'm FDR, and I approve this message. Yeah, I can't believe she said that.
I know, I don't even know what happened. I was just like, wow.
That was so bad.
I was scared.
I know, me too.
Franklin D. Roosevelt won the election of 1932.
Soldier boy, hey, I got this new dance for y'all called the Soldier Boy.
Hello, my name is Douglas MacArthur. I'm an American general and a field marshal of the Philippine Army. I also played a prominent role in the Pacific Theater of World War II.
Okay guys, where do you want to go eat? I don't know, do we want like steak or seafood?
Guys, and I also don't know if we're supposed to go dancing on Wednesday or like to the movies on Friday or dancing on Friday.
dancing's Monday and Wednesday's the movies.
Okay. Well, how much money do you guys like need? Like how much money?
A couple hundred, wasn't it?
Yeah. Okay, and I'll give you a couple hundred because I think I owe you for that last time we went out.
That's not bad.
Sounds good. Do you like this one?
I don't know. It doesn't exactly match my ring and it's kind of expensive.
Well, we do offer buying on credit, so you could pay like $10 for the next 10 weeks.
Okay, yeah, I'll buy it on credit.
Alright, good deal.
October 28th, 1929. October 29th, 1929.
So cold.
I miss home.
Oh, Hoover.
Home is where the heart is. Now we can see some of the outside world. Oh, Mommy, look. I can see the hills.
In the 1930s, from Texas to North Dakota, there was a severe drought. It was caused by people overgrazing, plowing, lack of rain, and wind erosion. The result was the Dust Bowl, which occurred in many states in the Southwest and Midwest. The Dust Bowl hurt Oklahoma and Arkansas farmers the most. These farmers packed up and headed west following Route 66. The farmers soon realized they were not wanted in the West when people started blocking main roads and highways to keep the migrants away.
Supply and demand helped bring about and also lengthen the Great Depression. This is because even when everyone started losing their money, the products still were kept at the same prices, so therefore no one could afford it, and so none of the products were being bought. This brought about unemployment, and the unemployment rate reached up into 25% of employees.
The Hoover Dam was constructed in Colorado between 1931 and 1936 during the Great Depression and was dedicated to Roosevelt on September 30th, 1935. The dam was controversially named after Hoover, and this dam was made to control floods, provide irrigation water, and produce hydro.
The position that we're in right now, no.
I'm sorry.
Although we've hit a downfall, if you elect me as president, me and my core mates
What is this?
and I approve this marriage.
Oh my.
Cindy Harding. In my la la la.
Hello, my name is Bob.